In Creo Parametric 13, there are some new options for additional washers and nuts in IFX, the Intelligent Fastener extension. Let's take a look at that. Here I am in an assembly model. I want to populate it with my fasteners. I will click on the Tools tab. Over on the right, we have the Intelligent Fastener group. I will click on the Screw command, and then I will select an axis for positioning my fasteners. Then I will pick this surface for the screw head, and then I'm going to query select. I'm going to tap the right mouse button to get to the bottom surface for the nut surface. And then I will click the OK button. This opens up the screw fastener definition dialog box. And right now we have two side 1 fasteners, two side 2 fasteners, and one nut on side 2. Well, there are new options for enabling 3 washers on side 1 and side 2, and 2 nuts on side 2. 2 nuts on side 2 are used for preventing loosening, and you can use 3 washers if they are dictated by the standards for high electrical resistance. Let me cancel out. Let's turn on the options for the additional washers and nuts. I will go to the Intelligent Fastener Overflow menu, then click on the Options command. Here in the Options dialog box, I will change from the General tab to the Screws tab. And here we have the option for Enable Second Nut. By default, it is set to No. I will use the drop-down list to change it to Yes. And then we have the option for Enable Third Washer. Similarly, I will change that from the default No to Yes. And then Enable Third Screw Washer. Once again, let's change that from No to Yes, and then apply the changes, and then click OK. Let's try placing the fasteners again. I will click on the Screw command, and then let's select the axis for positioning them, and then the surface for the screw thread, and then I will query select once again to the bottom surface for the surface of the nut, and then click the OK button. And now in the screw fastener definition dialog box, we have the ability to do 3 washers on side 1 and side 2, and 2 nuts. First off, let me change to the correct diameter for the fastener. Here we have the button to measure a diameter. Let me measure the whole diameter, and it determines that it should be an M6 fastener. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see a preview of the fasteners. And then let's check the options to get 3 fasteners on side 1, 3 washers on side 1, and then 3 washers on side 2, and then 2 nuts on side 2. And we can see in the preview here that the length is incorrect. Let's use the button to set the length automatically. Now we have a better length. I will click the OK button. And now we have the additional options. Do we want to assemble a single instance? Do we want to pattern the fastener or assemble the fastener on all instances? I will go with the suggestion to pattern the fasteners and then click the OK button. And now we have 4 sets of fasteners consisting of the screw and then 3 washers on each side. And if I rotate the model down to the bottom, you can see that we indeed have 2 nuts down at the bottom. So there you have it. That is the new enhancement in Creo Parametric 13 for additional washers and nuts in IFX, the Intelligent Fastener extension.